Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to perform a clean installation of Windows 11 25H2 using a USB drive. First, please open your browser and go to rufus.ie. You can download the latest version here. You can see an arrow next to the word Select. Click on it and choose Download. Select the version you want. I will be installing the Windows 11 25H2 version here. Since I've already downloaded it, I won't download it again. After the download is complete, you will have a Windows 11 25H2 ISO file like this. Now I will plug in the USB drive and start creating the Windows installation USB using Rufus. Now you can see that Rufus has recognized the USB drive. Now, change Download to Select and navigate to the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file that you just downloaded. You can use the same settings as mine. Here you can select the available features from Rufus. I recommend that you check all of them. After you are done, press OK to start the process of creating the bootable USB. So, Rufus has successfully created the USB drive. Now I will open it up to check if the Windows files are on the USB. The Windows file is on here now. The creation process is complete. Since my laptop is now using a 15th generation CPU, I will need to have the storage/hard drive driver for it. I will copy that driver onto the USB drive. If you don't know how to do this, you can watch the tutorial video by clicking the letter I on the screen. Alright, now I will restart the computer and boot into the USB drive. Successfully booted into the Windows installer. Here, I will be using the older version of the installer. At this point, I will load the hard drive driver that I prepared beforehand. Now, select the correct partition you want to install on and press Format. Note that you must choose carefully, otherwise you will lose your data. Now, just press Next and wait for Windows to finish the installation. At this point, to quickly skip ahead, I will select I don't have internet. So, we have successfully entered Windows. Now I will show you how to install the drivers. Alright, now you should right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. You will see which drivers on the machine have and have not been installed. Now, type dexdiag to find out what model your computer is. You can see that my computer's model is Inspiron 145440. Now I will open the browser and search for the model name and add driver at the end. You can see that this is the manufacturer's homepage. You can download the drivers here. I will only download the graphics card driver first because this is the important one. I will search on the search bar using the keyword graphics. So, this is the Intel graphics driver I need. Now I just need to download it and install it on the machine. After the installation is complete, I will restart the computer. At this step, you should press OK and do not enter anything. Now I will perform the optimization steps for Windows. You can follow along with me. Next is a very important step. We need to enable passwords that never expire so that we won't run into issues with passwords when logging into Windows. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Enter the command as shown on the screen. It was successful. Now I will use Windows Update to check for updates, as well as install any missing drivers. You can see that it will download both the Windows updates and the machine's drivers. If the screen flickers, don't worry. That means it's redetecting your graphics card driver. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive many other interesting videos about Windows. Have a good day.